A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Cahyani Putri. I will answer your question. Okay. A. How shall we define teaching? Teaching can be defined as a deliberate process in which a more knowledgeable individual, the teacher, facilitates the learning process of another. The student, it is both an art and science that involves transmitting knowledge, building skills, development, and fostering attitudes through various methods and interaction. An example, a biology teacher explaining the process of photosynthesis using diagrams, storytelling, and life experiments is not only giving information but also engaging students emotionally and intellectually to contract understanding. Number B, definition of teaching and synthesis. Definition. Let's consider three definition. Uh, Gauge. Teaching is a form of interpersonal influence aimed at changing the behavior potential of another person. Brown. Teaching is showing or helping someone to learn how to do something, providing knowledge and causing to know or understanding. Burton, teaching is the simulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning. Key points identified. It involves guidance and interactions. It aims to facilitate understanding or behavior change. It's learning centered requiring engagement. Synthesis definition. Teaching is a purposeful interaction between teacher and learner where the teacher facilitates learning by providing guidance, knowledge, and support to help learners grow cognitively, emotionally, and behaviorally. C. Main activities of teaching observed in classroom. In a typical classroom setting, a teacher presents new material or lecturing, demonstrating, asks and answer question, provides practice activities, and assess student understanding or quizzes discussion, manage the class environment, give feedback and motivation. These activities reflect planning, delivering content, interaction, and evaluation central aspect of teaching. D. Definition of English language teaching or ELT. English language teaching (ELT) is the process of teaching the English language to non-native speakers for academic, professional, or general communication. It incorporates various linguistic, pedagogical, and cultural elements to help learners gain proficiency in English. Reasons. ELT is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about helping learners communicate effectively in real-life context of through modern, communicative, and learner-centered methods. A. Understanding methods and technique in teaching. Method, a set of systematically arranged principles guiding how a language shall be taught. Grammar, translation method, direct method, technique, specific activities carried out in the classroom under a method, role-playing, translation, repetition, drills. When to use them, teacher choose method and technique based on learning goals, student needs, classroom context, and linguistics. Theories, for instance, grammar translation method is effective for developing reading and writing. communicative language teaching is best for improving speaking and interaction. Theory support. Anthony categorizes them into approach, theory, method, plan, and technique practice, highlighting their interconnection. F. Trend of teaching English in Indonesia. In Indonesia, the trend in English teaching has shifted from traditional methods, grammar, translation, and teacher-centered approaches to communicative approach, focusing more on speaking and real-world use. Incorporation of technology and multimedia online platform digital tools. National curriculum revision stressing communicative competence and cultural understanding. However, challenges like a large class size, lack of exposure to native use, and examination-focused learning still exist. G. Relationship between ELT and discourse analysis. Yes, ELT and discourse analysis are closely related. Explanation, discourse analysis help teachers understand how language is used in real contexts beyond grammar and vocabulary to convey meaning through text, conversation, and social interaction. It informs curriculum design, material development, and assessment in ELT by helping learners understand pragmatic use of language. Analyzing authentic materials, dialogue, news, literature, supporting the teaching of cohesion, coherence, and genre conversions. Example, teaching students how to write an argumentative essays involves understanding discourse structures like thesis, evidence, and counterargument drawn from discourse analysis. Okay, that's from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.